study, learn, collect. Well, another way to learn. I'm all about the science, baby. Yeah, science, bitch. Hello everybody, and welcome once again to Morbid Education. And today we have another unboxing for the Bone Box. Lately, I haven't really had any time to sit down and do videos because I haven't really been alone, and if I'm not alone, I don't feel comfortable with doing videos. Because, you know, when you're hanging out with people, you can't really have background noise and all that jazz. So, yeah, that plus working 40 hours a week and in a city that is 1.5 hours away for one trip there, to and from, 3 hours a day driving, and then I'm hardly home. We're getting back to it, and hopefully going to keep up with it, because I can't even start with all of the reasons why I haven't been able to sit down. Yeah. Okay, anyways, study, learn, collect. Now to open up and see what we got for June 2019. Okay. Okay. So for this month, for our little extra, we have a python vertebrae and rib. I was wondering if it was snake bones because it was really tiny, but here you go. This way they are separated. And that is originally priced at $6. And now to see what this guy is. Ooh, a fisher skull? Alright, so some kind of animal that has little sensory holes on their mandible. It's called a fisher. I have absolutely no idea. I don't know if I'm familiar with this animal at all. Definitely gonna have to read about it. With its little card right here, its little name tag, it says Fisher Mastella Penanti. The fisher. The fisher, an agile tree climber, tends to live a somewhat solitary existence. There is evidence that fishers hardly ever travel together except during mating season. Found only in North America, the fisher prefers continuous forest that offers opportunity to den in hollow trees. The sagittal crest of a fisher skull can illustrate the strong sexual dimorphism between the males and females of this species. So, this little sagittal crest up here that it's talking about, I feel like this is kind of a little small. I feel like this might be a female fisher, but not 100% sure because I still need to see what the species is. Oh, they're so cute! They kind of look like a little tree mink. Oh my god. It's a little tree weasel. This is the little card that I saw. And look at that little guy down here. Look at his little face. Oh, that is so cute. Okay. That's why it kind of looked minkish, weaselish. It kind of is a tree weasel. Okay. So for class, order, family, genus, and species, we have Mammalia, Carnivora, Mustelidae, and Murtis Penanti. Then its diet is carnivore. The range is North America. I would love to see these guys in the trees in there. So cute. Okay. Found only in North America, the fisher is one of the largest members of the weasel family. They're highly skilled climbers and have retractable claws similar to a cat's. One of the more noticeable and exceptional features of the fisher skull is the massive sagittal crest high on the posterior of the head that adult males of the species possess. This rigid crest will usually exceed 1 centimeter in height in a full-grown adult male fisher. This feature will not be present on a female skull and might just be beginning to develop in adolescent male species met. Oh. Well, it's a tiny little sagittal crest. I was thinking more like apes. Another thing you may notice while examining the skull are the fisher's unique teeth. Look at the upper molar. Look at the upper molars, second from the back on each side. You'll observe a visible exposed root left on each side. No other animal skull in this size range has that feature, and is an easy way to distinguish the skull of a fisher from that of a marten, badger, or wolverine. Pretty nifty. That is all that we have for June's unboxing of the bone box. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you come again. There will be more to see next time. And next video is literally gonna have me looking like this because I'm about to film the next video. Anyways, I hope you guys have a lovely day. And that fisher skull is usually $69. Anyway, okay, I'll let you go.